Hey guys, in this world, there are many professional teachers who acclaim that article N is used with the vowel. Guys, that is 100% wrong fact. Today, I would like to decode and rectify that we don't use article N according to vowel. Remember that article N is used with the sound of vowel, and sound of the vowel must be singular, unique and countable. Is that clear? For example, I say MLA and MLA. Okay. For example, hour and hour, air in air, honor and honor. Is that clear? And honest. In all spelling, you are looking that we are using H and M consonant before the spelling. Is that clear? And these are consonant. But despite that, we are using N article. Why? Because sound of the vowel. Is that clear? So guys, always focus sound of the vowel. Is that clear? And guys, if you like this trick, then you can follow us at our social media handles. And guys, if you want to access more information about these all tricky videos of the English language, then you can visit our official website, whose official URL is www.navya.in. And guys, you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. I repeat again, 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.